of the most exciting things about a Porsche is the sound that it makes. We're here this evening at the Porsche Museum in Stuttgart, celebrating a night of sound. A fantastic array of Porsches, both old and new, are wheeled into the arena, started and run in front of a live audience. A unique opportunity to hear the world of Porsche.
Normally we show our cars all over the world with our museum on wheels on classic car events. But today it's Zuffenhausen where the heart of Porsche beats. Tonight we will start 10 great historic race cars, and today the Porsche history gets alive in the Porsche Museum. We have invited some heroes of the Porsche history. We have people like Mr. Porsche himself, Herbert Linge, who started at Porsche in 1944, who was a great race driver and who at last he was responsible for the facilities in Weissach. We have famous engineers like Peter Volk, like Norbert Singer, and we have some younger colleagues who were working at the Spider project in the last years.
First one was the Formula 1 car and engine from 1962. I have learned on that engine many things about efficiency, about combustion chamber design and so on. And it helped me and it helped Porsche all my life in Porsche.
Normally I just can hear the actual production or the next generation. And here I can see and hear the old cars. That's very interesting for me.
For the company Porsche, it was very good, like very close connection between racing and production development.
Porsche, it's very important, the sound, because we have very emotional products. It's one point is the styling, but the other point is the sound, the acoustics.
We have people here from all over the world who are interested into Porsche, and this really makes us happy.